It's that way somewhere.
We're Canadians. How could this happen to us? We're smarter than this.
Yeah. Apparently not.
Wait, how did this happen?
Don't worry, R2 will save us. And then you'll unlock. He'll turn off the blizzard. See? What did I tell you? Hands up.
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything.
Do you have a plan B? Star Wars Quotes of the Day. Brought to you by FEB.18.11 Productions.
You know...
No,
I really... Okay.
Go ahead.
No, I forgot.
We forgot already.
Fuck you.
What?
No, I'm just... It's like... Could you do a Canadian zombie movie? Well, like, how would you set that up? Where, like, zombies, they're undead, they'll freeze. You know?
I don't know. Never thought of that.
Okay, I want to go west, don't I?
No, you keep going. Follow this highway. Just follow the highway. This is our visibility. I don't know if we're going to go back to Steinbeck right now.
I'm at a crawl.
The nice thing is, there's no oncoming traffic, so technically we could still do it. But...
Yeah, just looking behind me, I don't want some asshole to come.
Like, there's literally a wall after the lights stopped.
I was joking until...
Yeah.
It's like, fuck!
Look at that. That's insane. That's batshit crazy.
Dude, 40. Like, we'll get there at this speed, but... Slower traffic, keep right. Well, no wonder there's no traffic. Nobody can see.
There was no highway closed sign or anything like that. No barrier. Wow.
There's a van there. Look at that.
Shit.
Abandoned. I'm down at 50 now.
I was wondering what's going on here. Looks like it's looks like a semi in the ditch. Yeah, it is. Oh, the Adventures of Alan and Jay. Yeah, probably.
You want to get on? Talk to him?
Anybody there?
His windshield was on. Whoa!
Nobody there. Oh. Somebody's coming for him. Thanks for stopping.
Yeah.
So leave my seatbelt on first.
The Christian in me wants to stop every single bloody time.
Yeah, he said there's more cars up there. Something about freezing rain up there. Okay.
Let's wait for these guys to...
He's got somebody coming. Yeah, we're going to stop him for that guy, but he's got somebody coming. Wow, this is batshit insane. That's crazy.
That is. I got somebody to follow.
Yeah. Well.
Into hell.
No.
Well, in case hell freezes over. Manitoba.
Oh, another car. Yeah. Like I can see anything with this camera.
Like seriously, I want to stop and like, find out if they're okay. If they need help, I'll give them a ride this time back. In the morning, I'll take them out.
Yeah.
Oh, we're at the landmark tunnel.
Somebody's got their hazards on, that's for sure.
Do you want to... Should we stop and check?
Probably. Let's drive by, right by. There's nobody behind us, right?
Yeah. Going from?
The second side. Oh, there. You going right in front of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to check? No, she's
gone?
Yeah, she's going.
What the hell is she doing?
I don't know. But if she's gonna... Okay.
Okay.
She's just a little nervous, I guess.
Oh, she's turning off in that street. It's freaking horrible.
Yeah, I can't see stuff.
I don't know where the road is. Oh, to your...
Is it the lane?
Okay, there you are, I found it.
Capping ass.
Wow.
Shitballs. Literally can't see 20 feet in front of me.
This is going to make an interesting vlog.
Yeah? Yeah, you left it running when you went out to talk to FedEx, right?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
See, right here. Center of Canada.
We're in the center of Canada. I can't see the camera on it. I think he's just going. Guy behind us, me?
There's nobody behind us.
Oh.
I mean, if there is...
Anybody there?
No. I was actually not on the road there.
No?
Man, this is like Cataclysm or but with snow.
Yeah. Hoth?
Yeah, I was just about to say Hoth on a good day.
Yeah.
Notice I said day.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not sure if you found it yet, but the Hoth sequence with Les and Keen, fucking hilarious.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, their jobs, they have to sometimes they're really good at their jobs, like they have skills for it or they don't know they have skills for it, but
okay.
Sometimes they just fall into it.
I could feel the wind here.
Fudge. Like the reason they ended up on Hoth is because they had to convince these pirates or whatever it was.
Follow that white line right here.
This one or this one?
Yeah, that one. Now we turned into the highway. I know you couldn't see.
Yeah.
But that's what happened.
they were selling a power generator, like a planetary scale power generator, to these guys who they didn't know. They were just doing it for money or whatever.
Are we driving over snow drifts, or is that actually just bumps?
Some of it's bumps.
Okay.
Some of it's bodies.
Oh.
Zombies frozen in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Or in the middle of the McDonald's parking lot, and you mistake it for a speed bump.
So basically, yeah, like zombies. If there's a zombie apocalypse in Canada, just come to Manitoba in winter. You'll be fine.
Oh, you're recording all that.
Yeah. Look at it. Just look at it.
How appropriate is this music?
Like, we're going so slow now. We're going, yeah, like 30 in 100 zone. Just a second ago, there was a tree line, and there was absolutely no snow blowing in our face. And then, as soon as we get above that tree line, or away from it, just wall of snow.
Seriously, I'm doing so slow that that needle's bouncing to 30. That is blindness.
Barely even driving. So we're about to go into the wind. Oh man, it looks like we're going to a wormhole. Oh, don't turn the lights off! Oh my god. I couldn't see anything there. Look at, there's a sign up there. You can sort of see something.
Insane river diversion.
Well, it doesn't say that, but yeah. Wow. Snow drift. Oh my word. Oh shit. Oh, that was awesome.
Well, where'd it go? Oh my god, it's totally gone. I should turn around and chase it.
That was nuts. that was freaking, that came up and I was like, right now. Totally did not see that. And I got that on film.